a fantastic week. The children here have been studying really hard. There have been plenty of opportunities to go outside, although it has been really hot. It was lovely seeing the tadpoles in FSU turning into frogs and then being put back into the pond. I've seen some amazing work online again, so well done to all of you that are studying at home. Keep sending in your pictures of the work you've been doing. Congratulations to those who have won the challenge this week. Keep sending in all your work. Staff have been busy preparing transition videos, but we are also looking at ways that we can safely get you in to say goodbye to your teacher, collect your belongings and have the opportunity of meeting your new teacher. We'll keep you posted on any developments. With that in mind, have a look at home to see if you've got any books that need to be brought back into school. Coming up in July is our first virtual Griffin Arts Festival. There's going to be plenty of opportunities for you to get creative. Anyway, back to this week. A big congratulations to all those that have been nominated from their teachers.
Welcome to Poem of the Week. This week's poem is called Mistakes Happen. When I make a mistake, I know what it means. My brain is ready to grow and learn hard things. When I make a mistake, I cheer, but there's a frown. I know I'll get better the next time around.
Hello, Ash class. I hope you're doing well this week and I hope you're keeping well. Most importantly, it is going to be very warm this week, so I do hope you remember to keep safe in the sun. Make sure you drink plenty of water, make sure you wear sun hats, and make sure you put on some sun cream. Look forward to seeing you all again soon at our next Zoom meeting. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Hello, Cherry class. Another wonderful week filled with lots of fun. We've had some amazing times in school, and I can see that children at home are doing some excellent learning as well. Keep up the hard work, and I look forward to what you're getting up to next. Take care. Bye-bye.